guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vina Walker and we are a homeschooling family of 7, and I have ages 13, 11, almost 9, almost 7, and almost 4. So welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about something really cool that is offered from Timberdoodle, and this was gifted to me, so please watch along. It's super fun. And it is from Teaching Tomorrow's Technology, CompuScholar. And we've done this before. We did, I believe it was Tech Essentials last year, and we absolutely loved it. And this year we are going through Python programming, and this is something new for our kiddo. And she is, I believe, on chapter 3. And so we haven't completed it all. It is supposed to be for like a full semester course, but we are working through it for a whole entire full year. And so we took some time off with Christmas and New Year's and theater shows and all sorts of things. And so I just have her working through basically half of it. And so what's really great is that they, Timberdoodle, when you get it from Timberdoodle, they send you like a PDF with all your credentials and login information. And then you go in, and then I'm going to show you this computer screen right here. And there's these different chapters here that they have. And there's chapter 1, Fundamentals of Python, working with data, input and output. Chapter 4 is making decisions, finding and fixing problems, lists and loops, numeric and data functions, working with strings, functions, Python, classes, class instances, food fight project, creative project, and then we have supplemental chapters here, which I probably will not have her necessarily go through. They're obviously there just for supplemental information. And what's really great is they have testing and quizzes on here, and then she can take them, which is really nice. And she doesn't typically, when we do testing, you know, she's able to go back and revise. And here she's like, oh no, I don't know if I can do that. But you are able to redo your quizzes. And here we do have an expiration date. It does tell you, I believe you have it for a full year. And so we got it last year in September. So we didn't actually start this until October. And so what I love about this is that for me, I know my husband is a developer, but for me, I don't know anything about coding or programming. And I don't really know anything about anything regarding programming. And so what I love is that it makes it really easy for my kiddo to kind of work along with the videos. So with the videos, when you open up the chapter here, it basically gives you your chapter video lesson, and then you have text to go with it, and then you have a quiz. And then same with lesson 2, you have your video, and then you have your text, and then you have your lesson. And then there's a check mark over basically if she's done it or not. And then and then you have an exam. Here, I'll go in chapter 1, the text lesson just opens up like this. And then it's almost like having a textbook sort of PDF in front of you of everything that they need to read through and work through. And then there's like the end of lesson. So it's really nice that they have that right available to you. And then here we have the quiz. The quizzes, I believe, so it says reattempt quiz, so you are able to redo the quizzes. So let me just click it since I know that she's done. I think it's only like 4 or 5, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. So they aren't too laborious. And so it really is just, hey, did you read it? Did you go over it? And did you learn it, kind of a thing. And so here, when you click the dashboard, you have your course overview, then you're just able to click through it. So I highly recommend this. This is really a self-paced program for your kiddo from ages, from grade 6 all the way up to 12th grade. And there really isn't any guessing work on my end. Everything is really just on the computer. And what I really love about this is that I don't need to install anything. I don't need to, make sure that we have this program only on this one computer. I can really just open and go on any device that we have here, which is amazing, because we had this issue where we downloaded, I think it was like a typing thing. I don't even know what it was. And it was like, oh my word, we only have it on this one laptop. And so anyway, so it was just like, which kid gets to use that laptop for that day for that lesson? So it was just quite cumbersome, but I love that you can just open it up and just kind of go. So you do get access for 12 months there, and then you just have to activate the license. So when you do get your credentials, if you do end up purchasing this, I waited to purchase mine because I knew that we had stuff in September, and so I moved it to October. And so once you activate your account, you set up your profile, and then you just basically just go at your own pace. Each chapter takes about 3 to 5 hours, and so ideally what I wanted her to do was go through one chapter because it was a semester, it's supposed to be, you know, one semester, I wanted to fill a whole year. I wanted her to do one chapter basically every other week. So she had 2 weeks to do one chapter. And then there's the different step-by-step lessons, and she does really enjoy this. She likes that it's something that, you know, her daddy does, and that, you know, is something, you know, new world other than just textbook and writing and everything else. And so it really is great to build her confidence with knowing she can do something self-paced, and it really helps her with real world coding skills. And I love that she works on different projects here with the different chapters. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.